Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're at the Peridot in Dallas, Texas, the Peridot high-rise apartment in Dallas, Texas. We're about to explore another amenity, really cool one. It's called the Sauna Lounge. Hey, let's walk in. So this is the Sauna Lounge. Oh, wow. Okay, this is pretty cool. What I like about the Peridot is the inventive amenities that you just don't see anywhere else. So there's actually two sauna rooms. One of them is this one. It looks like they look to be similar, but you can get that sauna feel in here. I see these kind of rooms, but these are more at very high-end spas. So to see this here in your actual apartment building is pretty phenomenal. Beautiful sauna area, so you could fit maybe two for sure, maybe three even people in there. You can just kind of relax. So it could be you and your, your guest or your loved one, and really enjoy things. And you got two rooms to do it in. So pretty cool amenity, well done. And then there's kind of an outside waiting area. Really cool. There are some towels here as well, so you can grab kind of some warm towels and enjoy that. It's another cool amenity that really sets the Peridot apart. Again, have not seen this kind of amenity in literally any apartment building in Texas. Okay, on to the next amenity and apartments. Let's go see some more.